Today we're going to be testing the NCP3170 Flexible Synchronous PWM Switching Buck Regulator Evaluation Board by ON Semiconductor. The equipment we'll be using today will be our DC power supply. We will also be using an oscilloscope. We're going to be using 3 channels for our oscilloscope. We're also going to have a voltmeter on our output of the board. And last we have our DC electronic load. For the connections to our board, our input is going to come into our V in and our in ground. On our V out, we will have our DC electronic load between V out and ground. We will also have our voltmeter between V out and ground. And we will also have channel 2 of our oscilloscope between V out and ground as well. And lastly, our third oscilloscope channel will go between our PG pin and our GND_L pin. To begin our test, we're going to set our DC electronic load to anywhere between 5 and 18 volts. In this case, we've made it 12 volts, and turn it on. Now to enable our board, we're going to take a jumper and place it on our enable header pin. And here we can see that we have approximately 3.3 volts on our output. At the same time that we enable our circuit, by using a single acquisition mode on our oscilloscope, we can observe both the soft start on our V out, channel 2, and also our PG pin, channel 3. And we can see that it closely matches figure 2 from our test procedure. And now for the last part of our test, we're going to set our DC electronic load to anywhere between 0 and 3 amps and turn it on. And here we can see that we have our approximate 3.3 volts still on our output. And we can vary it even all the way up to the maximum, which is 3 amps, and still observe our same output voltage on our voltmeter. This concludes the test of the NCP3170 Flexible Synchronous PWM Switching Buck Regulator Evaluation Board. For more information, please visit www.onsemi.com or contact an authorized distributor.